So here you can see that the tray on our fifth day is full with the larvae of mulberry silkworms, and these silkworm larvae, they are not able to feed properly when the number is more and they are too much in crowd. So what the operation required for this particular thing is, we are going to provide them space by utilizing the cleaning net. The bed cleaning net will be used, and then we are going to add the leaves or the chopped leaves over that net, and after some time those larvae, which you can see here, they are in the crowd, they will crawl up the net and they are going to feed. Now we are applying, or we are just laying down the bed cleaning net. So the bed cleaning net should be properly applied with the total surface touching down on the earlier available substratum, and see that it is possible for all these larvae to climb and crawl up the net. Now the next thing after laying the net is to just sprinkle the leaves, not much deep but a light layer. That should not be too thick, it should be somewhat thin, and that layer is to be laid out over whole the surface of that bed cleaning net. Just apply it slowly, because the larvae which are just below the net, they may get damaged, and one more thing, they are also entangled. If the pressure is more, they may not crawl up easily. So as you can see here, the leaves are being distributed or dispersed and spread over the bed cleaning net. And as the leaves are laid or they are spread on this net, the larvae, you can see they are just climbing up to feed on the fresh leaves which are chopped. So they are climbing up, they are just crawling up through the holes present in the net. Okay, it's okay now. Don't make it too deep. Keep it light only. Yes, done. Now you can see that the larvae which were just below the net in the earlier tray, maximum of them have climbed up. Now the activity of bed cleaning, we are going to do that those larvae, we are going to lift this net and put them just in the next tray, taking care the larvae don't fall. Keep it down, keep it down, keep it down. No, turn it. Here you can see the larvae, they are present. They have themselves attached. Catch all the four corners. Catch all the four corners. And just shake them off. Don't let them fall away. You have to just shake this net. Okay. Just catch it properly, don't damage the larvae. Use the leaves to clear those larvae off. Don't brush. Just tap them down. Okay, remove the net now. Put it back to the earlier net only, earlier tray only. Okay. Now, all these larvae, you have to just distribute them properly with their food. That is the leaves of mulberry, and then add the leaves. So here the bed cleaning as well as spacing of these larvae can be done.